Hello there, my name's Dave Allen, I'm good and geeky, and today what I want to do is show you how you can use Regex on your Raspberry Pi in an application called Kate, which is a text editor, and it's pretty good. It does a job just as we want, finding patterns within the text and replacing it with whatever we want to replace it with. And then I want to have a quick look at Obsidian, and it's a new version there, it's version 1, and it's got tabs in it. So let's see what we've got in Obsidian, and this is all on the Raspberry Pi. And what I want to do is I want to show you how you can do some searching for regular expressions on the Raspberry Pi in what apps we've got possible here. So first of all, we're looking at a website, and you can do it on a website. So if you put your stuff in here and do your regular expressions in here, it shows you basically how your regular expressions is working. And there's a regular expression cheat sheet there as well. But if you want to do it on an application and actually do some changes to the text, then you need an application, and here we're looking at the application Kate, which is a text editor. So what I've done here is I've started by putting in this text here, which I used in the last video, which I'd used on the Mac to search for various things in this text file and to get rid of it. So what I've started with here is the \d, \dot, \d, \d, \n, dot, plus, and that is selected all this stuff here, and I can continue down to select the next line of text as well. So let's do that now. And in here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a \n, and then I'm going to add another dot, and then another plus, and then I have to click on this find all, and that's gone down the next line and selected all the text there. And then we'll do the same again to get the next line down. So we're going to go back into the find field here, and I'm going to do the \n dot, and then do a plus, click on find all. So that's got there. Now that's got all the stuff there that I want to find, and then what I want to do is I want to do a replace. So at the moment what I want to do for replace, I want to put those in there. Let's put 4 of those in there. And just so we can see it a bit easier. We see I've already changed this here to regular expression. You can do it so that it search for plain text or whole words, but we're interested in regular expression here, okay? So let's do a replace all. So that's sorted that out, very good. And I can continue going through this file like I did in the previous video and doing it all in this application called Kate, which is a pretty good text editor to use on the Raspberry Pi. Now the other thing I've got to have a look at today is, let's have a look at Obsidian. Now in Obsidian we've got version 1 just come out here, and in version 1 one thing I did do was to go and try to set up a plugin, and the plugin I tried was this one here called DB folder. I clicked on it here, set it going, and as soon as I tried to set a folder up as a database, it just stopped the whole program from working, and so I had to stop. So we're going to have to wait for an update for this here before we can start using DB folder. I haven't checked yet whether this one here data view works or not, but probably does, so I'll give that a check later. Although there's a thing on there saying update. Let's check that. Installing update to plugin. Okay, so that's updated. Maybe that's been a quick update there to make sure that it's been working for version 1 of Obsidian. Now the other thing that we've got in Obsidian, which is new, which is the this thing here with the tabs. So you've got a tab on the side here. Just got one thing open at the moment, but if I want to open up another one, let's open in a new tab. So I've got 2 tabs there now, and I can swap between the tabs. Let's open another one, and I'll open this up in a new tab. So I've got 3 tabs there open now, and it's nice and easy to swap between tabs by just clicking on these ones here. And to get the tabs working, what you do is you go to this one here, and I can unstack the tabs. So that's got the tabs unstacked, and now I've got these tabs at the top of the screen here, which I suppose in some ways actually works a little bit better than having them stacked along the side there. So let's just go back to stacking tabs again, and we go stacked again. So I can go through this stack and go to this next one in the stack here. So it's just taking a little bit of time to get used to this new stacking sort of thing with Obsidian, but it's got possibilities as a quick way of getting in between your different documents that you have open within this new Obsidian version 1. Okay, so this is Dave Allen testing out how things are working with this screen recording I've got with this Ava Media GC513. Gosh, that's a good name, isn't it? Recording device. It's supposed to do with 4K, but it's only coming out at 1920 by 1080 at the moment. But that's good enough to send up to YouTube. And that'll do for the moment. So I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye now.